Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the PS5 off completely. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, which ensures true shutdown. Once done, plug a DualSense controller into the console with a USB cable so you can control menus inside safe mode. Make sure you have PSN login details and any external USB drive for backups accessible. This prevents delays when you choose rebuild or reinstall options later, and it keeps your data safe versus improvising mid-procedure. You now pick the right safe mode option. Start with Rebuild Database because it reindexes files and often fixes crashes without deleting data. If the screen is blank or flickering, use Change Resolution so the PS5 outputs a compatible signal, then test the normal boot. If system software seems corrupted, choose Update System Software from USB or Internet. Make sure to avoid reset options until rebuild and updates are attempted because resets remove user data and are irreversible. You finish by restarting the console normally and confirming your games and settings load as expected. If everything is good, you're done. If problems persist, prepare a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive with the official PS5 reinstall file and use Safe Mode's reinstall option. This reinstalls system software cleanly. One key troubleshooting tip. If reinstall repeatedly fails, try a different USB port or drive, and then contact Sony support. Sometimes hardware faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.